guys, Miss Qualtric here for today's phonics lesson. So it's going to go just like normal. We're going to review our sounds we've already done. We're going to do words with the old sounds. Then we're going to introduce our new sound, go over words with our new sound, and then we're going to end off with our common exception words. So if you have a pen and a piece of paper, that's fantastic. If not, you can use your finger in the air. All right? So let's get started with our old sounds. I'm going to hold them up, give you a second to say the old sound, and then I'll say it just to make sure you're saying it correctly, okay? So our sound from yesterday, ear, very good. Z, oi, w, e, ow, I, o, v, ng, sh, or, oo, or, r, a, ch. Oh, that one's upside down. Oh, a couple of them are upside down. What's going on here? There we go. Sorry about that, guys. J, qua, y, x, z. And back to the beginning. Fantastic job reviewing those sounds. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to mix them up and we're going to go through them as quickly as we can. Are we ready? I'm not going to say them this time. This is all on you this time, okay? Fantastic job, boys and girls. Well done. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to read some words that have our old sounds in them. So I'll do the first one for you to show you what I want. And then after that, you'll do them, okay? So it'll look like this. J, oi, n. Join. Your turn. Fantastic. All right, your turn to do it first now. Wait. Wait. Cool. Cool. At that. Week. Week. Two more words. King. King. And last one. Fight. Fantastic. All right, now I'm going to choose 4 words and we're going to write these words. So I will do the first one with you and then after that you'll do it independently, okay? So our first word is check. Check. So we have ch, k, ch, k. So when we write it, we have ch. Oh, sorry, that's very close. Let me drop that out. Ch. Then we have our ch, Then our k is our double k sound. Check. All right, now it's your turn to do it first. So your word is going to be chain. Chain. So sounding it out with your fret fingers and then writing it down. All right, we have ch, a, n, ch, a, n. When we write it, we have ch, A, ch, a, n, chain. If you got that right, give yourself a nice big tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Right, your next word is going to be torn. Torn. So sound it out with your fingers and then write it down. All right, we have t, or, n, t, or, n. So we have t, or, t, or, n. If you got that right, give yourself a nice big tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, and your last word is oak. Oak. Sound it out and then write it down. All right, we have oak, oak. So just our two sounds. So we have our O sound, oak, and our K sound is our kicking K. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, now we're going to move on to our new sound, and our new sound is air. Air. Air, air, air. Air. And air is like the air that we breathe, air. And it's spelled the same as well. So this is our new sound, air. Can you please write it down on your piece of paper or in the air with your finger? Air. 5 times for me, please. Go ahead. All right, fantastic. So when you see this sound, I want you to wave your hand in the air, okay? And go air. All right, so I'm gonna put it in with our old sounds, just like this, and when I show you it, you're gonna go air. All right, so let me just hide it in here. So say all of the sounds, but then do the movement for the air sound, okay? Very good, air. Hide it again. Very good. Fantastic, we'll hide it twice more. Fantastic, and last one. Very good job, you guys. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to read some words with our air sound in them. So I'll show you how to do the first one, and then after that you will do them first. Okay, so it'll look like this. Ooh, air, lair. Your turn. Fantastic. Huh, air, hair. K, air, cairn. P, air, pear. That one's easy. Air. Lovely. So now I'm going to pick 4 of these words and we're going to write them. So I'll do the first one with you. All right, and then after that, you will do them independently first. So our first word is cairn. Cairn. So we sound it out. We have k, air, n. K, air, n. And our k is our curly k. So we have our curly k. Our new sound air, which is A, I, R. K, air, n. Cairn. All right. Now it's your turn to do it first. So your word is pear. Pear. So sound it out and then write it down for me, please. All right, we have p, air. P, air. So when we write it, we have p. And then our sound, air. P, air. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, our next word is lair. Lair. So sound it out and then write it down, please. All right, we have air. Air. So we have and then our sound, air. Lair. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. And our last word that we're going to write today is hair, like hair on your head. Hair. So sound it out and then write it down for me, please. All right, we have air, air. So we have our sound first. And then we have our air sound, our new sound from today. Air. So if you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Really good job with your new sound today, boys and girls. We're now going to review our common exception words. So today we're going to be writing our common exception words. I'm going to choose 5 common exception words to write. Okay, but first we're going to read them. So we'll go through them one time slowly and I'll say the word after you guys do. And then the second time we'll go through them quickly and I won't say any words. And then we'll write a few words, okay? So it'll look like this. My. Be. You. We. All. Her. Are. They. She. He. Me. My. Fantastic. All right, now I'm going to mix them up. And then we're going to go through them as quickly as we can, okay? This time I'm not going to say any, so let's see if you can get them. Fantastic. Really good job, you guys. All right, I'm going to pick some random ones. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to write these words. Remember, when we do our common exception words, we don't sound them out. We just need to know how to spell them, okay? So our first word is you. You. So I'll give you 5 seconds to write down the word you. All right, for you, we have a Y-O-U. You. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Your next word is he. He wants to go to the shop. He. So I'll give you 5 seconds to write that down. All right, we have he. So that is a H and an E. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Your next word is my. My name is Miss Kowalczyk. My. Go ahead, write it down. So my, we have a M and a Y. My. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Your next word is are. There are many days in a year. There's 365 days in a year. There are. Our word is are. All right, for R we have A, R, E. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. And our last word is they. They want to know your name. They. Go ahead and write it down. All right, for they, it is T-H-E-Y. They. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. And that's everything for today. Fantastic job today, boys and girls. You did really great with your new sound, air. And I hope to see you tomorrow for tomorrow's phonics lesson. Bye, guys.